Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now at this vending machine again, starting from number 1. Okay, the number is not in sequence. We have 13579. There is no 246. The green Mercedes AMG I already have. Worldwide Camaro, Ninja Turtle, Dodge Power Wagon, the X-Men X-Jet, which I already have. It also come out in black color. Audi wagon, very nice. The Ford Bronco in, I don't know what color is this, silver or blue. And then we have this single car, Nissan Skyline. This is from, I think, many years ago. A quick bike, another power wagon, a Nissan Fairlady, a Porsche Draftnator, this time in red color, Ford Mustang, Ford GT. Behind I can see a Chevelle wagon, also from long time ago. Volkswagen Beetle, Fairlady with the Raijin Express behind, another AMG, the blue Ford Bronco, Dodge Ram, a pickup truck, Honda City, another Porsche, Nissan, Big Air Bel Air. So nothing much this round. Except I'm very tempted to buy the Nissan Skyline. From long time ago. But maybe not. Just have to wait for Hot Wheels to come out with another recolor. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.